Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti. So how was your long weekend? What you did for the long weekend? We had a lot of fun. July 3rd is Megha's birthday. So we celebrated her 8th birthday with some couple of our family friends. And on July 4th, we had barbecue and then we went to see fireworks. So, how about your long weekend? How was it? Hi, Om. How are you? So, last week I show you some of my ornaments. So today also I am going to show you some of my ornaments. Hi, Preeti. How are you? You must remember last week I showed you this white angel, right? So I made this kind of angel with different colors. I made this pink color, this yellow color, and this blue color. So in this blue color ornament, I used different color wing. So you can use these angel ornaments on Christmas tree, or you can put it on the card, or you can also use this for a baptism a gift or first communion gift. So you can use this for a lot of purpose. Then I also made this cross, small cross. Let me tell you the size of this cross. Just a minute. So height of this cross is almost 3 inches. And let me tell you the height of this angel. This one is also almost 3 inches. So I made this cross, and again I made this ornament. So almost I think all ornament size is almost 3 inches. So this is one ornament and this is another ornament. So here I used pink, shades of pink and teal color strips. One of my customer wanted something for as a Christmas gift to give for a family member. So she asked, you must be remember that I have one family heart frame, right? So she wanted something like that, but in small size, 5x7. So I tried that family heart in 5x7 frame. So these letters are very small. So what I did, I just made scrolls and I adjusted those scrolls in these letters. So this is one. And one more thing I did, I wanted to do that for a long time. So let me show you. So this is African lady frame. You can see I just quilled hairs. First I took a printout of this lady and then I did black scrolls and I glued those scrolls like hair. So I wanted to do something like this for a long time and finally I did it. Did you like it? Let me know. So these are the things I made last week. Now let me tell you about group. Today I created one private VIP group for you all. Sometimes what happens on page, if you want to share something with me, I am not able to see it, or other people cannot see that stuff. So I started one group. It's for just this just for my followers, or if anyone want to learn quilling, they can join that group. So in that group I will show more detailed videos, or show more updates, and as well as if you want some information about quilling, you can ask that information. Or if you want to share your quilling idea, or if you want to share your quilling projects, you can share those projects in that group. So I added that group link uh, in the description of this live video. So if you want to join that group, just click that link and join that group. And also you know, right, that I'm doing Christmas in July session. So tomorrow I am having, from this weekend I am having Christmas in July sale. So I'm going to offer 10% of discount on my all items which are on my Etsy website. So some items are ready to ship and some items are made on order. When you place the order, I will make it and then I will ship it. You can also do custom orders. If you like, I think I have 16 items on Etsy, and in that I think 6 to 7 ornaments, and remaining are frames. So if you want, you can do customization, or you can just buy whatever is there. So I have cross, 6 or 7 ornaments, dad frame, what else? That beer mug, family frame. So I have at least 16 items in that. So if you want to start your Christmas gift uh, shopping, you can go and you can shop it tomorrow, this weekend. And you know that, right? Quilling take a lot of time. So if you want to buy in bulk, you can give me that order in advance, so that I have sufficient time to make those things. If I have a lot of time, I will take I will make each and everything very carefully. I don't want to do hurry, so that uh, if I do hurry, my products will not become nice and beautiful. So if you want to buy anything, just you can start thinking, and you can just uh, uh, contact me anytime. Don't just wait till last moment. So that's it for today. Let me know which ornament or which frame did you like, and if you want to see some more things, you can let me know. And if you want to join my Facebook group, you can join it. And don't forget, this weekend I have Christmas in July sale from tomorrow to end of Sunday. So that's it for today. Bye. Good night.